Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you a step-by-step tutorial to access BYJU'S classes on the students portal. First, open any web browser and type learn.byju's.com in the address/search bar and press enter. This will take you to a page from where you can log in to the students portal. Here, click on login. This will redirect you to the login page. Please enter your registered mobile number here. Once you enter your registered mobile number, click on Next. Please enter the OTP which you have received on your registered mobile number. Once you enter the OTP, click on Next. Now, you will be directed to the Students Portal homepage. Check if your grade is displayed correctly on the top right corner of the screen. Here, you can see the BYJU'S Classes option in the center of the web page. Please click on this option to access the BYJU'S Classes learning program. Here, you can see two options on the top: For You section and Completed Classes section. For You section is where you can view the upcoming classes or sessions for the next few days. It shows the session date, time, and topics to be covered. You can see a faded join option on the extreme right of the topic. This button will turn purple 10 minutes prior to the scheduled time of the session. To join any session, you can click on this button and this will take you to your class. So once you click on join, it will ask you for different permissions. Allow using the microphone as well as the camera. You can disable this whenever you want and click on Join Class. Once you are in the class, this is the screen that will be visible for you, where you will be able to see your teachers and your classmates. And this is how you join your class using learn.byju's.com on the student portal. Next, we move on to the Completed Classes section. This section shows the past sessions. Here, you can find your daily practice papers. These are materials related to past sessions. You will have a good number of questions here for practice and revision. So do not miss this. Thank you for watching the video. We hope this video was helpful. Enjoy learning with BYJU'S Classes.